So here's how you add WalletFrens.xyz as an app to your smartphone. You open your favorite browser and you just go on WalletFrens.xyz, you log in, you click on the menu button, then you click on My Profile, there on My Account. And here you see Install App, you click on that. And if you then click on Install Application, you get a customized information on how to do it, because it's different depending on what smartphone you're using. So this is a progressive app. You don't download it from the App Store. You just install it through our website. And for iOS, this is really easy. For example, you just click on the share button and then you go down to add to home screen. And so you're just adding it to home screen, and here you see it already, WalletFrens.xyz. If you click on it, then the progressive web app's opening, and you just can log in via email, for example. You don't have to do a Web3 login. And here we go. Here you have all the useful tools and features like filters and whatever you love with WalletFrens.xyz. And you can basically just use it with the full functionality you also know from the web. And therefore, we hope you give us a place on your smartphone and use WalletFrens. And also, obviously, give us some feedback how you liked it. And remember, early users in Web3 will always be rewarded. So check it out and let us know.